In this video, I will show how to find the derivative of a function using the product rule. So in our case, we have a function which is a product of a linear function and a radical function. So first step is to identify the factors which make up the product. And in our case, we have 2x minus 3, which we can label as u, and cube root of x squared, which we can label as v. At this point, it is important to understand that the product rule can be written using f and g notation, and in exactly the same way, we can rewrite the product rule using u and v notation. So in uv notation, the product rule will be u prime v plus u v prime. That means once I identified my u and v, now I just have to find the derivative of u and derivative of v. So derivative of u is the derivative of this polynomial function, which is simply 2, and derivative of v is the derivative of this radical function, which can be written as a power function, and now I can use the power rule here. So derivative of v is 2/3 x to the power negative 1/3, which we can rewrite as 2 over 3 divided by multiplied by cube root of x. And now I just have to assemble it all together using the product rule. So derivative of f is derivative of u times v plus u times derivative of v. So in this expression, this is my u prime, this is my v, this is my u, and this is my v prime. So we found the derivative of a function using the product rule.